Are you affected by the one-child policy?
Actually, the one-child policy was abandoned 6 years ago, so it's not one child anymore, and became two-child policy. And now they have new rule that encourage you to have three children. Three children, seriously, because for me as a woman, and also a lot of friends, females in China, I think for them what is important is not to think about to have three children. It's about the life choice and life partner. Yeah, I know three-child policy sounds absurd to tell people to have three kids or encourage people to have three kids, but isn't it better that you're only allowed to have one kid? If you're a Chinese living in China, you know that it's very difficult to actually raise three kids, consider you have to buy them all pretty clothes and education. So I guess that some other aspects has to improve to be able to have three kids, because the one-child policy actually been there for 40 years. So every parents put all their savings and to raise these kids with the best education and the best condition. But now it's coming to two kids. Who you gotta send these kids to abroad if they want? So it's very difficult for a family to have more than one kid if everything's very expensive and everything's difficult. So I guess many other aspects has to come up with this three-child rules. To have two children or more than two children, and then things has to be cheaper and easier, especially in the bigger cities. It's very expensive to buy a house, etc. So this has to be also a lot of things to adopt this policy that people can afford it. So you can bring your two kids to university.
Two kids.
No. You can have two kids and hopefully three kids. Awesome.